I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your CallApp. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on overlay screens, just click on it here. You come to next step here, you go down. You come here to you come here to show post call overlay for non-contacts. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here show post call overlay for non-contacts. Disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. So thank you for watching.